So we've been talking about what to do in an accident if you find yourself, you and your family in an accident. What are those steps? So we're gonna bring it back full circle. If you do bring your vehicle here to the Karl Auto Group and our body shop, we'll be able to take care of you. So we're bringing in Quentin here. Quentin is our body shop manager here in Stuart at Karl Chevrolet of Stuart. And so we wanted to kind of pick his brain, his team. They've seen everything under the sun, so he'll be able to tell us all about deer hits and accidents and all of that. So Quentin, when somebody comes in after a wreck and the car comes to you guys, what's kind of the first thing you guys take a look at when it comes in here?
So we're gonna grab personal information just so we can stay in contact with the customer throughout the process. As far as when the vehicle enters the estimating bay, we're gonna document the damage. We're gonna do photos all the way around, VIN number, miles, all of that, and do our best to discover what was part of the accident, or if there was prior damage, we're gonna document that as well, just based off the customers, what they're telling us. Once you've started a claim with the insurance company, we'll send them the photos and the estimate. They'll review that against your policy, and they'll get back with us on a plan to proceed.
Gotcha. If a vehicle is totaled out, is it the call of you guys and your team, or is it more on the insurance side if a vehicle gets totaled out?
No, the call for a total is going to be based off the insurance company, and it's a total vehicle value assessment based off the condition and the miles and the severity of the damage. We start to approach 75% of the vehicle value. We're probably going to call in an adjuster or work on it a little bit harder to make sure that we are okay to proceed, or hey, maybe we should stop because it may be a total loss.
Yeah, okay. Well, it's a lot of good information. If you guys ever need anything, you can visit any one of our Karl Auto locations. If you ever find yourself needing body work, if you've been in an accident, you can bring it to any one of our locations, and our team will be in contact with you, work with your insurance, and make the whole process easy for you.